Hi, I'm Emily here at horticulture.co.uk. In today's short video I'll be showing you how to sow wallflowers. To sow wallflowers you will need a seed tray or some seed cells and some wallflower seeds. You can sow wallflowers anytime between May and July. Fill your gravel tray or seed cells with peat-free sowing compost. Pat down the compost and then open up your packet of seeds. You can also sow the seed directly outside in the ground. Just choose a sunny position with good, well-draining soil. I'm sowing wallflowers in here to protect them from pests such as slugs and snails. I'm making 4 rows with my hand and then sprinkling in the wallflower seeds thinly. You can thin them out afterwards. Then I'm covering over my wallflower seeds. You can do this by patting over the compost that you've pushed aside earlier or sprinkling over some new compost. Don't forget to label your seed tray and water in your seeds afterwards. I'm keeping this tray in the greenhouse until they germinate.